You searched for how to buy shares of Vor BioPharma Inc., a clinical stage biotech listed on NASDAQ under the ticker VOR, and this video will walk through the practical steps. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as a neutral example. After registering, you must verify your account, which typically requires a photo ID, and then add funds before you can place trades. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker VOR to find Vor BioPharma. Check the results carefully and select the entry that shows the NASDAQ listing to ensure it is the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart that tracks recent market activity, so confirm the company name and NASDAQ ticker to make sure this is the right asset. To place an order, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, review the order details, and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next available market session, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio, and if you want to follow these steps yourself, find the eToro link in the description for more information.